All right, let's work on qua. So you just follow my leads to right, okay? Just following the straight line to right. This is a qua, okay? We use K and V, okay, for transcribing. All right, so qua in the beginning, all right, and then it goes down a little, tells you there are more syllables, okay? So qua in the middle, this should be straight, okay, and like this, and then tells you there are more, okay? So qua in the end, all right. Gua, you just repeat qua, just repeat it with a dot. So we use G and V, okay? Gua. Okay, gua in the beginning. So far they are the same. Put a dot, gua. Okay, in the middle. They are the same. Put a dot. Gua in the middle. Gua in the end. Yep. All right, and then hua. Let's write hua. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Hua. Put a circle. All right, hua in the beginning. This way on H and V. Okay, so hua in the beginning. Hua in the middle. You just repeat everything and then put a circle, and then hua in the end. It's the wind. Okay, sorry. All right, hua. Okay, so examples, let's see. The first example for qua, all right. So like qua cha, okay, qua. This is an independent form, okay, and then you write cha, qua cha. It's the sound of fighting, okay, qua cha. All right. So for another example, quablin, okay, that's a good one. You repeat qua, okay, and then tells you there are more, okay. Quablin is the transformation to reform something, you know, the reform, okay. Quablin, this is a E and this is a, N, okay. You put a L here, this is a lin, okay. You put a dot here, this is a bu, bu, wu, bu, okay. Quablin, the transformation, okay. So far for qua, and then for gua, let's see. Guan, okay. You just repeat this, okay. Put a N, and then put a dot. So this is a guan, guan, okay. So it's like a shell and a skin that animals shed, okay. They will take off when animal grow older. All right, so and then the last one, hua. Let's see, hua. Okay, this is a hua by itself. It's the porridge people eat. Hua. Okay, so far for today.